What's up, everybody? This is Chris with Good Time Hobby Adventures coming at you today with a new video of my VRD Straight Axle Builders Kit with Brazin Scale RC's carbon fiber hardline chassis. This is a rock beast. Fusion SE 1800 Dlux Fab Iron Rock 475s Injora wheels. Stock phones in the rear. Proline dual stage up front. No brass as of yet. I've got to order it. SSD makes brass knuckles for it, and then I'm throwing some brass rings in the wheels. That should get me to where I like to be. I'm a light truck guy more than a heavy truck guy, but it's all about personal preference. You guys do you. I'm gonna do me. Anyways, shout out to Backyard Crawler. First video I saw of this kit. Logan, West Desert Wheeler, took a stance, put this chassis in it, and pulled the portals, put F10 straights in underneath it. Rock beast. It pushed me over the edge, bought the kit, and now this is what I've got. Anybody who's been out with me knows this truck is a total monster, and it still doesn't have brass. I can't wait. I know that's going to help me a little bit on a lot of the steep climbs, but it's a dang good truck as it sits right now. I also want to apologize for some of the throttle blipping and the bad lines. I'm still learning how to drive one-handed, not very good at it, and video with the other hand. So anyways, enjoy the video. Got any questions, throw them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Everybody, take it easy.